It's strawberry season in Japan, and if there's one thing Japan goes hard for, it's seasonal fruits. Japan has a huge variety of strawberries, and you can see the most famous ones rated by firmness and sweetness. Amao is the most famous, but actually I'm looking for Amarin today. I also found these super expensive pearl whites, but they're a little too rich for my blood. Instead, I went to my local supermarket and I found these alongside my Amarin. When I got home, I washed and I stemmed the Amarin, and I put a few in the bowl to try. Amarin is supposed to be one of the sweetest varieties, and so I was quite curious about how it tasted. And it was really sweet. It was like having strawberry juice. I immediately went in for another one and decided to have the rest of the bowl, but I had some chores to do before I could try the other variety that I bought. These came in a box because they're intended to be given as gifts, and just looking at them you can kind of see why. They look like they're made of plastic. They're so gorgeous. I had had a pale variety of strawberry before, and I was quite looking forward to trying this one. I think I would describe the taste as honoka, which means subtle in Japanese. If I had to compare it to anything, I would compare it kind of to a white peach. It wasn't bad, but I like a little more flavor. I went for the red one next, and this one was pretty disappointing. It had a really strong vegetal flavor, and I know that they say that you should eat from the top down to the bottom, but it was pretty grassy all the way through. But I guess that's my fault for buying an unbranded strawberry. If you are gonna buy strawberries in Japan, make sure you're buying for name rather than aesthetic.